Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai and Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008 SUV. This particular one is an active with the latest generation 1.5 Blue HDI 130 brake horsepower diesel with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Now this car has done just over 7,200 miles, is in sunset copper metallic and is a 2018 on an 18 plate. Now this is not a standard car, this has got the diamond pack, which is the black roof and black door mirror cappings along with the roof bars, and also the 18-inch alloy wheels as well. So again, this is not a standard car. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to come and have a look at the car or even take a test drive, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed it.